Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Renew Retaliation TR men's training shoe. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Renew Retaliation TR men's training shoes. And this pair is in the UK size 8 or US size 9 and in the black anthracite white colourway. It's also available in several other colourways and of course sizes as well. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by of course flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. Let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the pair of Nike Renew TR Retaliation TR men's training shoes in the black anthracite white colorway. Let's lift out the left foot side. And just showing you the left foot side for now. And this pair is in the UK size 8 or US size 9 in the black anthracite white colorway. So you can see very simple colorway, black and white. And now let's set the box to the side and focus on the details of the left foot side of this Nike Renew Retaliation TR men's training shoes. So taking a look at the front of this left side. So it does have a mesh upper, as you can see. It does have a fairly flat weave pattern on it. And moving up along the laces. And towards the tongue of the shoe. With a Nike training text running vertically along the tongue of the shoe, and taking a look inside as well, giving you a look at the padding around the collar of the shoe as well as the tongue. So you can see there is what appears to be ample padding around with a nice soft firmness to it. So giving you a look there, and in the heel as well, going right round. And now just taking a look on the inside of this left side, and you can see very prominent Nike swoosh right there, which appears to be applied of course instead of painted, because it is slightly raised from that mesh upper texture or fabric. So it does have the Renew foam for cushioning and support in the midsole of the shoe. Pressing on the outside, it does feel very, very stiff. So providing plenty of stability there. And it does have this arch band or strap that provides some lockdown stability around the midfoot arch area. And just moving along towards the front or toe or forefoot of the shoe. And just giving you some idea of the flexibility right there. Of course the padding is still inside, We'll remove the padding afterwards, but just giving you a look towards the flexibility or stiffness around the forefoot area. And of course, importantly, taking a look on the outsole or underside or sole of the shoe. Right there, it does have some areas with rubber, which is the black area, as I can feel the traction on it, or at least the grip. Whereas the white areas are somewhat smoother. And there is a bit of a depression in this area here, but nonetheless very flat and even surface right across the outsole or bottom of this Nike Renew Retaliation TR men's training shoe. So same kind of texture feel or grip feel around the white areas, and the black areas are rubberized or rubber, providing durability as well as traction. So right there, those areas in black, made out of rubber, providing plenty of grip and durability. And just taking a look on the outside of this left foot side of the Nike Renew Retaliation TR. So you can see there is added durability or cover on the mesh fabric in those high wear areas. And of course, once again, that arch or midfoot strap or band, providing some stability and support for a locked in feel that comes in handy when it comes to training on weights. And of course, running as well. And then we have this inverse swoosh towards the ankle or heel area of the shoe. And over here you see the Nike Renew text there, emphasizing on the Renew foam in the midsole of the shoe to provide cushioning and stability. And just taking a look at the heel area, we can see the heel tab here with the strap. And of course, the sole once again. So pretty stiff sole where the black rubberized areas are, so for plenty of traction and of course durability. And in terms of the flexibility right there, just going to pull out the stuffing that's in the shoe. And just setting that down and taking a peek on the inside once again if we can, right there. And just doing a simple flex test for the stiffness and pliability right there of the forefoot or overall design of this pair or left side of the men's training shoe. And just doing a twist test as well, just giving you some idea in terms of the movement and flexibility or stiffness. So once again, black with plenty of traction and grip, and white, which is the rather stiff or stiffer parts of the outsole right there. And of course inside with the Renew midsole cushioning and support. And let's just lift up that tongue there. Okay, just going to do a rotation right around so you have a nice good look. Of this left foot side of the Nike Renew Retaliation TR men's training shoe. It's right there. And of course, right there, pretty soft as you can see. And in terms of weight, reasonably light in weight with the mesh construction and Renew cushioning on the inside. Okay, now let's set that down and lift out the right foot side from the box, and then we can take a close-up look quickly on the right foot side and then both of them together as a pair. So setting the box to the left foot side of the frame and moving that slightly out of the way so it doesn't interfere with the foreground as we take a look on or at the right foot side. So giving you a look right here. At the right foot of the Nike Renew Retaliation TR men's training shoe. So once again, you can see at midfoot strap along with the mesh upper material or fabric. And the outsole right there with the black patches in rubber for high durability and grip. And let's take a look at the pair together right here. Front on and moving right along. Let me get them lined up as best I can right there. And the pair side by side right here. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, this is in the black anthracite white colorway in a UK size 8 or US size 9. So that's Nike Renew Retaliation TR men's training shoe. Thanks for watching and happy training!